When I drive through the towering canopy of trees that are in various shades of color, and I come to this campus, I feel this sense of almost spiritual uplift, because I know that I am in one of the most beautiful places on earth. This campus is so beautiful, and I feel an incredible surge of energy the second that I come in through those great beautiful trees. And it's not only because of the environment, but it's also because I know that waiting for me is a class of students that I'm going to come to know in a very important way. Important because at Sweetbriar I can learn so much about the individual talents and aspirations of each student, and I can help to tailor how I teach and what I teach to help those women achieve their dreams. I know some students who've majored in my subject, which is dance, who've become doctors, who've become lawyers for the arts. I plan to go to a conference in Taiwan, and to me, those opportunities to travel beyond this campus with my students, these are lasting avenues of knowledge. And I treasure that. It makes me feel as though I live a worthwhile life and that I'm contributing to society. And I feel that the dignity and worth of every human being hangs in the balance of how educated they are. And I think you can find that education here at Sweetbriar.